What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Zrowedaartist Views. And this episode we will be doing product shoots. So it's very important to have well put together products for your website, and sometimes it's really hard to get clean polished white background or black background, and sometimes you have to outsource to someone to do it. But if you have some of the gear, I'm gonna walk you through and show you some of the steps you can do to shoot product photography. This right here is my modifier. I explained this in my last video. So we have a modifier, my AD200, my C-stand, and this is a regular plain white paper from Michaels. This plexiglass right here you can get from Home Depot, and basically when the camera flashes, when the light flashes, you will see the reflection of the product. Instead of adding it in post, you will automatically see the product show the reflection. These are regular, just a white piece of cardboard that you would put next to the product to either have it fill if it's a white piece of cardboard, or I forgot what the term is, but for black cardboard, it'll basically take away some of the light. But I'll show you some of that as we do the video. This one is similar to how this is. So when you put the product onto it, it will give a reflection when the camera flash, and the same thing goes for this one. When the camera, if the product it needs a black backdrop, you would use this one instead. So the product setup is pretty simple, using my A7 III Sigma 24-70, and I'm just going to shoot some random products and show you how they turn out. And now that we have shot all our products, our mock products, we will bring them into Lightroom and check them out. And we want to see how this not even $1 reflector that bounces the light gives some of these products life. So a few things that I didn't mention in the video is setting your ambient. I'll link a video down below about setting your ambient. So setting your ambient is basically when you take a shot, you want your background depending on the situation, to be completely dark. The items used aside of your camera gear is plexiglass, a white cardboard, and a decent understanding of how to retouch in Photoshop. And if you guys need any product shots for your website, let me know. If you like a one-on-one in-depth tutorial about how to shoot, how to edit, how to upload to e-commerce, let me know. If you guys want a tutorial about how to set up an e-commerce, once again, let me know. Until next time, keep creating. Peace.